Welcome. If you want to customize always on display in your OnePlus Nord 2 5G, at the first you have to go for the settings. Next you have to find ambient display. And as you can see here we can change a lot of things like somatic gestures, when to show, we can set schedule or power saving on turn off. Here we got what we want to show. We can get fingerprint icon. We can display messages, for example, hey, and the new notifications. We can also change the theme, so we have to go for the personalization and then tap on the clock on ambient display, and here we can pick, for example, this one. Click apply and take a look right now. As you can see, that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.